Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set block sender options to leave in inbox or move to trash for the mail app on the iPhone 15 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in settings, scroll down, then tap on mail, and then we scroll down. So go to the trading section and then tap on block sender options. In here, make sure you turn on mark block sender. Then for the actions, you can choose leave in inbox or move to trash. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.